not on there, and then the oil ring's not. Let me start over. Okay.
That's going in.
So the oil ring, that 710 cap. Anyway,
That's going in.
we're gonna remove this and put
Torque down the windage tray, or bolt everything down. So.
All right, so welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing the new oil pan. Last week we had the wrong size oil pan, so we are going to go with the Holley oil pan, and we're going to test fit the engine one more time. So stay tuned and we'll see how this goes. So today we will be installing the new Holley oil pan, and we've hired some help. It's very expensive, and he is very awesome. The gearhead.
What's up? I can't believe I'm on your channel. Gearhead 704.
That's
here
right.
with Miss Nova Castile Cloud9. It's awesome to be on your channel. I don't know about like expensive hired help because I'm actually, you haven't watched any of my videos because I'm very good. But anyway, I'm going to follow your instructions. So.
And then we have Pony 1992 in the back. He will be assisting, so the labor won't cost me too much. But yeah, so let's get started on this. Gearhead 704 and Pony 1992. So today I will be removing the windage tray so that we can kind of cut it down a little bit and make the oil pan a little flush with the rest of the engine, because it's sitting up at least this much from it. So we've got to trim this down. So it's got to sit totally flat, and let's put Matt to work.
Already?
Yeah. We see Matt over there hard at work.
Yep. I'm doing what I do.
Yeah, just don't drop it down in that engine.
Yeah.
Oh dear God, don't do that.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Please don't drop one in there.
My bag.
Your bag quit. Your bag is done for the day.
Have you worked on cars before, Candy, in the past?
No.
So this is new for you too, then. That's
Well,
You used to help your
I
dad,
kinda
right?
have, because I used to help Jeremy with his other Mustangs, and we removed several engines before and put them back in.
This is actually like her
my
third
fourth.
engine swap.
Oh, really?
Is it
Okay.
third or fourth?
Okay, yeah. So you're a veteran.
Yeah.
So she's done this a couple times.
So.
All right, put the impact down. Now just
slowly.
pick it up. Yep. And there's the windage tray.
All right, Matt, how about that?
All right, so what we got to do now is, since Nova Castile has got the windage tray off, we have the Holley instructions, which basically shows us a pattern of where we need to cut for clearance of the front of that oil pan. So I'm basically scribing some lines in to where we need to cut, and then we'll be able to get to cutting. All right, so here goes Matt. I did a little bit of cutting on it, and he said, get out of the way, let me finish this up. This is simple stuff. I'm the professional. So here we go. Matt's going to finish the cut.
Almost there, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I was
you're on
actually on the spot that time.
Yeah.
All right.
See, you can see better, right?
See, this is newbie, guys. Newbie here. Yeah, I could see a lot better. Thanks.
Almost there.
The spark hit me in the cheek, and I flinched. I flinched.
You almost got it.
Yeah, you almost got it.
Yep, a little further and you
All
got
right.
it.
All right, try again.
Hold up. Oops, sorry.
Oh,
Yeah, go ahead and pull it off.
all right, here we go. What's this?
Hey, there it is.
All right, Jeremy, you would have done better, but thank you for letting me try a new tool. Hey guys, when all else fails, just remember you just bend it off at the end.
Mask out a souvenir.
So basically, Gearhead 704 and Pony 1992 assisted in cutting out this piece here because the oil pan was not fitting correctly. So now we are going to test fit everything and see if it works.
All right, so now Miss Nova Castile is setting the windage tray on the engine. And we're going to set the oil pan on it to see if our trim job, see if Gearhead professionally cut this.
I just did a little bit, so if it doesn't fit, it's mainly your fault.
And see if it clears. All right, so we are sitting flat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Move your hand, please.
I'm sorry.
It's rolling. Keep going.
All right. So now that the oil pan is flush, we need to install the pickup tube to see if it fits. So here we go. So we hand bolted the pickup tube onto this little frame here. The O-ring is not in here. We just want to test fit to see if the oil pan and everything else is going to be snug on this. So here we go. And it's snug, nice and snug. So that looks amazing. It's pretty awesome. Because before it was like about that much off, right?
Big
When
difference.
you say, yeah, it's a big difference.
Good job, y'all. It looks great.
Yeah.
Thanks to Gearhead 704
I mean, I didn't do
For the
nothing.
nice-
Y'all did the work.
for the nice cutout,
Yeah, I did a little bit of cutting. Yeah.
and Pony 1992 for the sparks.
Ooh.
All right, so we're gonna remove this and
Now we got to torque down the windage tray.
yeah, okay. So right now I am just putting the baffle on the oil pan. Mr. Gearhead 704 over here put a little bit of that Loctite on there. So he added some Loctite on here, and we're just gonna tighten these up really quick. And
And we're be ready to set the oil pan on the engine.
yep. All right, so the oil pan is finally put together. Looks great. Nice and sealed. No gaps. Looks pretty awesome to me. And I want to say thank you to Gearhead 704 for helping with the cutout.
My pleasure. Absolutely. Thank you.
And then Pony 1992 over there, helping with the install. Say hi.
Thanks for helping.
Thanks for helping. Hope you enjoyed this video.
If you did.
If you did, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. And we will see you soon.